What tools and materials are required for regrouting tile without removing old grout?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about an important part of home improvement and maintenance, regrouting tiles. This is especially crucial when you want to refresh the look of your bathroom or kitchen without replacing the entire tilework. Interestingly, this process can be done without removing the old grout. Let's dive into what tools and materials you'll need for this project.
What is regrouting?
Regrouting is the process of applying a new layer of grout over the existing one. This is an ideal solution when the old grout is intact but stained or discolored. Regrouting can refresh the appearance of your tiles and extend the life of your tile work.
What materials do I need for regrouting?
There are several materials that you'll need to gather before you begin your regrouting project. These include grout. This is the main material you'll be working with. It's a type of mortar or paste for filling crevices, especially the gaps between wall or floor tiles. Make sure you choose the correct color that matches your current tile design. Grout sealer. This is used to protect the new grout from moisture, stains, and mold. Water and mixing bucket, for preparing the grout. Remember to read the grout packaging instructions thoroughly to ensure you're using the correct proportions of water and grout mix.
What tools are required for regrouting?
You also need the correct tools to make your regrouting project successful. These are grout float. This tool is essential for applying the grout over the tiles. Grout sponge, a large sponge for cleaning the tiles after grout application. Soft cloth, to buff the tiles and remove any remaining grout haze after the grout has dried. Sealer applicator. This can vary depending on the type of sealer, but it could be a small brush or sponge. In conclusion, regrouting your tiles without removing the old grout is a feasible DIY project. With the right tools and materials, you can refresh your tiles and make them look as good as new. Always remember that preparation is key to any home improvement project. Happy regrouting and see you in our next video.